Have you ever tried creating characters that maintain their unique look across different image generations, like in Midjourney or other platforms? If you have probably hit a frustrating truth because it's impossible to get that perfect level of consistency. But what if I told you that there's a better solution out there? Hi, I'm Sachin Kamath and I have been right where you are, struggling with inconsistent character designs and dreaming of a better way. And that's why I took matters in my own hands and designed a GPT tool specifically to tackle this challenge. We are not just talking making some tweaks over here, we are talking achieving flawless character consistency. And you will be able to generate characters in different poses, expressions, styles, and scenes. And today I'm going to share this process with you. You can use this for your comic book with the storytelling, or for an animation, for marketing campaigns, or just to design characters for any of your fun projects. So stick with me, and by the end of this video, you will unlock the power to create flawless, consistent characters like never before. So hit the like button, subscribe for more innovative solutions, and let's dive into this revolutionary journey together. Alright, so for this, first we are going to open the GPT store, and you'll find this link in the description below. And then we are going to click on DALL-E because it uses DALL-E to generate these images. Here right next to topics, you will find DALL-E. And here you will see it's trending on top 5 right now, consistent character GPT. So we are going to click on this. All right, so we are going to start by clicking here. Here, right over here, it says click here to start creating character designs. You don't have to use any prompt as such. It asks you a set of questions and you just need to respond to it. All right, so it's going to ask me over here, let's start creating some amazing character designs. First, should the character be male or female? All right, so I'm going to type female. So now it's asking me to provide a name for this character. So in this case, you can just provide any hypothetical name. Let's say I'm going to type Maria. Alright, so now it's asking me to describe Maria's character details such as age, country of origin, hairstyle and color, outfit, and any other specific features that you want to include. Now at this point, it's very important to include all of this as a description in your next prompt, right? If you include all of this, you're able to get very high quality results. If you don't include them, you might get very generic results. This is the description I have for my character. So Maria is a 30-year-old, Swedish, curly blonde hair, blue eyes. She's wearing a white sweater, blue jeans, and she's beautiful. So I usually tend to put some kind of characteristics like cute or beautiful or handsome for a guy at the end of it, because this creates very high quality and very good looking results. So let me just hit enter now. All right, so now it's asking me which style do I need for my final image. Do I need Pixar animation, photography, 2D flat illustration, or anime pastel? I'm going to choose Pixar animation. So I'm just going to type 1 and hit enter. Alright, so now it has all the information that it needs and it's creating me the first image of the character, which is usually, I think, a front view image when the character is looking right at the camera or at the screen. Yeah, there you go. So it has created me a wonderful image where it's following my prompt and features and characteristics of Maria very, very closely, right? So she has blue eyes, she has curly blonde hair, she's wearing a white sweater, and she's also wearing blue jeans. So perfect, it has done a great job at this point. Now, it's asking me, what do I really want to vary in my image, right? So let me say, first, I want to just vary the expression. So I'm going to just type 1 because the first one is expression. You can also change actions or pose, and we will take a look at this later on. But let's first start changing the expression of Maria. So I'm going to type 1 and hit enter. And now it's asking me what expression would I like Maria to have in the first variation. Let me say she's having a subtle smile, and that's all I gotta type. The first expression I want is subtle smile. All right, I tap that and I hit enter again. And now it's creating me the first variation of Maria with Maria having a subtle smile. All right, so I have the first variation of Maria with a subtle smile and it looks perfect. You see? So it is the exact same character right? Kept the character consistency very, very well and followed it very closely. All right, so now we can do the second variation. So it's gonna ask me what's the next different variation or variable you would like to see in the image. So I want to see Maria laughing in this image. So there you go. I have my second variation where Maria is laughing. Wonderful, right? So let's compare that with the first one. Perfect. It's Maria herself. It's the same character, same consistency. So it has maintained the consistency of Maria very well across the second generation. Now it's asking me what would you like for the final variation of Maria's character. The next variation that I want to do is, let's say Maria, she has a thinking expression with hands on her chin, something like this. Let's say thinking with her hands on her chin. So let's try that. And I'm going to hit enter. I did a typo over there. It should be her. So let's see if it still works great with this particular variation. All right, so there we have it. And she's thinking with her hands on her chin, and it looks amazing. I'm super surprised. I mean, I have done this more than 100 times now, and I still get super surprised when I see the results of my own creation. Would you like more variations of Maria? Yes, I would like to see more variations. Now it's going to ask me, what would you like to vary in the next set of images? Now I would still select one and see if I can create more variations of her expression. Let's say she is sad in this particular scene. Sad. And we have her looking sad. And again, it's following my character consistency very, very well across generations, right? And all you got to do is follow the instructions and write the expression or the pose or the action that you want to change. This is a wonderful way to get consistent characters. You will not find this absolutely anywhere else. It's super, super tricky in Midjourney, and it's sometimes impossible. Now you can do a whole lot more from here. You can create full body poses, you can create different actions, and I will also show you how to create photorealistic variations of this, plus turning it into an animation with another tool. So stay tuned, and this is just the tip of the iceberg.